Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a timeline to your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. In this guide, you will learn every step from logging in to editing your website and adding a new timeline feature. We begin by directing your attention to the WordPress landing page. When you open WordPress in your web browser, you are greeted with the home page where you can start the process. Once you are on the WordPress website, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Click on the login link and this will take you to the sign-in page designed to secure your website's backend. WordPress makes it simple to sign in and you will immediately notice the various login options represented on the page. After you click the login option, you will see an invitation to continue using your Google account. By choosing the Continue with Google feature, you take advantage of a faster, more convenient sign-in process that saves you time and extra steps. WordPress partners with Google to ensure secure and reliable authentication, so selecting your Google account is both safe and efficient. Now that you have chosen your Google account, you will be signed in automatically, allowing you to access your WordPress dashboard. With your account now active, focus on the quick links section where you will see the option to edit site. Clicking on Edit Site leads you directly into the website editor, a central tool for making changes and customizing the appearance as well as the functionality of your WordPress website. Inside the editor, you will be presented with an overview of your website sites or pages. Identify the website you wish to modify and click on it to start editing. This action transports you to the design interface where your creativity and website management skills come together, and you can see the live preview of your website while making adjustments. Once in the editor, locate the plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. This icon is a gateway to adding new elements to your website. When you click the plus icon, a search bar appears which enables you to quickly find specific features to integrate into your site. In this case, your next focus is on typing the word timeline in the search bar. After entering timeline into the search bar, wait for the feature to appear as one of the search results. When the timeline design is visible, click on it to add it to your website. Incorporating a timeline is an excellent way to present a chronological sequence of events or milestones, and WordPress simplifies this process by handling the technical aspects so you can concentrate on content. With the timeline added to your page, you now need to populate it with entries that highlight the significant dates or events related to your website. To do this, locate and click on the Add Entry option. Each entry represents a moment or piece of content that contributes to telling your website's story. The interface will prompt you to input your entry details, ensuring that the timeline remains both informative and visually engaging. Once you have finished adding the desired entries to your timeline, make sure that you save your work. In the editor, look to the top right corner and click on the Save button. This final step secures all the changes you have made and updates your website with the new timeline. You have now successfully added an interactive and engaging timeline to your WordPress website, making your site more dynamic and informative for your audience. Thank you for following these instructions as you enhance your website with a timeline feature. Enjoy your newly updated website and the streamlined user experience that comes with this addition.